How to set the Samsung keyboard theme to light, solid light, dark or solid dark on the Galaxy A15. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, we scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on Theme. Now in here you can choose between light, dark, solid dark, or simply dark. So if you choose dark, it will have a dark with a grey shade on the letters. And that's it. So select one of the available options. And after that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.